Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the Char-Griller E3001 Grillin Pro 40,800 BTU gas grill and the Char-Broil safer replaceable head nylon bristle grill brush. This premium liquid propane gas grill from Char-Griller delivers a powerful 40,800 BTUs across 3 burners, plus an additional 12,000 BTU side burner for exceptional grilling versatility. With a generous 630 square inches of total cooking area, including 438 square inches of primary cooking space and a 192 square inch warming rack, you'll have plenty of room to grill for family and friends. The grill's heavy steel construction, porcelain-coated cast iron grates, and stainless steel thermometer ensure durability and precise cooking every time. Complementing this is the Char-Broil grill brush, designed with a safer replaceable head featuring thick red nylon bristles, perfect for cleaning cool grill grates without the worry of breakage or fallout, as it's tested to withstand 15,000 scrub cycles. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned grill master, this combination of robust grilling power and safe, efficient cleaning tools will elevate your outdoor cooking experience. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights and reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.